Hi everyone, welcome to microbit. Now let's learn about JavaScript. To learn about JavaScript, here when we go in block, go in put, have a lot of things now. Let's learn about math, variable, logic, loops, radio, anything else. First, go basic, on start, then music, and then choose what don't you want. Here. Here one is speed 290 bpm. Then go basic, take pass. Then go basic, take show left. Then look, and then here. Then go choose 500 millisecond. Then put this hard. Like this. Then go loops, take repeat 4 times. Repeat 4 times, then go show icon, put here. Put this one. Then when we on start, pass, when it pass. Okay, bye everyone to listening my video. That's all. When we look at JavaScript, here basic pass, music, clip, video, BA. Bye bye everyone to listening my video.